Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So I have bought some products from Myntra and Tira on this festive season sale. So let's unbox it. So I have bought this Paulas Choice Discoloration Repair Serum with Tranexamic acid and Bakuchiol. It is suitable for all skin types and it declares or it claims that it fades the look of brown and gray patches. Now if we'll talk about the quantity of this product, the quantity is 30 ml and the actual MRP of this product is rupees 4,990. However, I purchased it at 15% discount during Myntra festive sale. So this is how the packaging look like, and let's open it. So there it is. The best thing which I love about the packaging of the serum is that it has a pump. It's not a dropper, because a pump bottle can keep the ingredients safer for a longer time. However, if you are using a dropper in serum, it may damage the ingredient of the serum. And if we'll talk about the packaging, this is a glass bottle and here you will get a hard plastic. And now let's see the consistency of the product. So this is the consistency of the product. It is white in texture and it is watery. It's not oily. It's fast absorbent. It absorbs very quickly onto your skin and it does not leave any oiliness, or you will not feel even sticky. It's good. So if we'll talk about the ingredients, the first ingredient here is Tranexamic acid, which helps in reducing the dark patches, discoloration, and it also lightens up your skin tone. However, if you'll see the Bakuchiol works to reduce the fine lines. So if you're not a big fan of retinol, or if you are new to the skin serum, then you can start your journey with a Bakuchiol. It actually works very nice and finely, and it will give you almost the same result as retinol. So if you're using this serum as a daytime, make sure to lather it up with a thick moisturizer, and after that you should and must apply a good SPF sunscreen. However, if you're using this serum during night routine, then make sure to lather it up with a thick moisturizer, and that will do. It's mentioned as limit initial use to 3 times per week, gradually increase frequency to once daily, apply over face and neck, and for daytime always follow with sunscreen and limit sun exposure. So that is all about this serum, and we'll see how it works on my skin. So that is all about Paulas Choice Discoloration Repair Serum. If you really like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends and give your love. I really need it. And if you want to see more such videos, please do comment down below and let me know. I'll keep reviewing skincare products and I will provide my honest review with you all. Thank you so much and have a great day. Take care and bye-bye.